Hello, you know me, and it's Alex Chippers. I'm 50 years old. In our homeschool, we talking about different types of energy and sources. Today explored the use energy sources and where energy could from. I think if a hot dog outside at the sun using a stove oven, it could hot dog a stove. According for today, hot dogs really cooked, steaming, which is 40 feet. I will cook each hot dog to temperature. It was summertime, but how long takes a hot dog and temperature does the best cook it? I'm a hot dog.
And then it's been cooking for 15 minutes and 30 seconds so far. How hot is it?
Not hot. 98.
98.
$62. 102. 105.
105 or 11.5?
11.5.
11.5? 115. Do you think our hot dog will ever cook?
Yeah.
What's it saying?
11.19.
119?
Yeah.
And I think ants invaded our hot dog and we're losing sunlight. Should we call it a day?
Yes. Bye.